Dancehall artist Spice is celebrating the success of two of her major hit songs. She recently shared the news with her Instagram fans that the raunchy single "Some May Like It" is the most streamed solo hit by a female dancehall artist in history. The song currently has over 106 million views on YouTube, 54 million streams on Spotify, and was viewed more than 2 million times on Shazam. The single was released in 2014 and was produced by Not Nice. Another major accomplishment for the Queen of Stage is her collaborative effort Gadongde, which features Shaggy and Sean Paul. The single, which was on her Grammy-nominated album 10, is her top streaming song on Spotify with more than 57 million hits, while the video for the single has gained over 85 million views on YouTube. Earlier this year, Gadongde topped the Shazam streaming chart in India. Dancehall DJ Bounty Killer has informed fans that his Facebook and Instagram pages have been hacked by impersonators. According to Bounty Killer, persons are pretending to be him and are soliciting money on his behalf. He also advised fans not to embark on or make any business arrangements with anyone or any person claiming to be him. He added that, quote, "We have made a report of this person for impersonating me and they're now being investigated for committing fraud. This is now a police matter," end quote. Bounty Killer has encouraged his fans to contact his business manager, Mr. Paul Banky Giscom, to conduct business, while adding that his original Instagram pages are at GrungGodzilla1 and 1 Uno General. Killer is gearing up to release his long-awaited album, King of Kingston, which will feature 34 songs with 35 guest appearances. The album is slated to be released just in time for his 50th birthday. Actress Jada Pinkett Smith has weighed in on her husband's Oscar night incident on the latest episode of her online show Red Table Talk. In her address, Jada stated that her deepest hope is for both men to be able to heal, talk, and reconcile. Pinkett Smith also used the moment to inform viewers about the hair loss disorder alopecia and how it can impact the identity of the millions of others who suffer from the disease. The show's latest episode featured guests, including the mother of a 12-year-old girl who was bullied over her hair loss and died by suicide, and a physician who explained the different types of the disorder.
The state of the world today, we need them both. And we all actually need one another more than ever. Until then, Will and I are continuing to do what we have done for the last 28 years. And that's keep figuring out this thing called life together. Thank you for listening.
Since the incident, Will Smith has publicly apologized for reacting emotionally to the joke and has resigned from the Academy. The Academy has also banned Will from attending the Oscars or any other Academy event for 10 years. Grammy-winning reggae artist Gramps Morgan is set to take the stage at Nashville's annual Let Freedom Sing concert. The reggae icon will join the American country band Old Dominion, who are billed as this year's headliners. The band is the newest addition to the lineup that also includes Cassidy Pope and Levi Hammond. The famous fireworks show, which promises to be the biggest show in the city's history, will be accompanied by a live performance from the Nashville Symphony. Let Freedom Sing concert is scheduled for July 4 in Nashville. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.